there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be making this cute little gift card holder. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our Big Shot. And I just have a small piece of Whisper White, and I have the smallest circle from the Stitched Shapes Framelits. I'm going to run that through. And this gift card comes together very, very quickly. So I have the Treat Yourself from the Picture Perfect Birthday, and we're just going to use Treat Yourself and the little bow. And I have Peekaboo Peach, and I have this mounted on block B. So I'm just going to put that down just like that. And then, while we have the ink out, I'm going to go ahead and stamp that up. And I just want to put the bow right here in the corner, just like that. All right. So these are the narrow note cards, and I cut a piece of the Picture Perfect Designer Series paper. This is cut at 2 3/8 by 4 3/8, and I'm just going to put some snail adhesive on this. And it's going to make a thin little border. Just like that. Now I'm going to come in and pop up the Treat Yourself. Just like that. And let's see. Going to get the coordinating envelope. And I just want to put Treat Yourself on here as well. And you can use the same Peekaboo Peach. Alright, now I have the 2 1/4 punch. And I'm just going to punch that out with the Picture Perfect, and this fits perfectly right here. So what I'm going to do is just going to make a little score line, and it's very light. Alright, and then I'm going to put the adhesive down before the score line. So right above it. Let's see if I can make that easier for you to see. Alright. And we will tuck this in. And you could cut that off, but I don't think it's necessary. So, it's just a little peekaboo. And like I said, your gift card fits right in here perfectly. So when you need a quick and simple birthday card, here it is. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Remember, if you need any of the supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.